everyone, so today I wanted to do a review on Splat Long Lasting Hair Color Lusty Lavender Complete Kit. I'm gonna start this off by saying I'm not a professional. I do this for fun. I've done my own hair for almost 10 years, so I do this for me. I know what I'm doing for me, but what I do for me may not be good for you. So these are just my opinions, you know, take it with a grain of salt. I don't know how well you guys can see, but I use multiple hair dyes. So at the top is mainly where Lusty Lavender is, and then in my ends, because I wanted to do like different purple to see what I could get. Lusty Lavender is definitely one of my favorite hair dyes because it stays for a while. It is a pretty color, but the biggest con I have is that Splat hair dyes transfer like crazy. My hair is still transferring, and I dyed it just about a week ago. It's transferring so bad right now. Even if I have it by my face, hair dye will come off on my face, even if I wash it. So that's one thing to take into account, that your pillows are gonna get up, like your towels, all that. Your tub is gonna get, your sink, like it stains bad. So keep that in mind. The color though is a really pretty lavender. It's not super light, it's not dark, it's bright, but it's not like boom in your face bright. I bleached my hair beforehand. I have naturally brown hair, so I always have to bleach my hair beforehand, and I did a shit job bleaching, so this is what we got. But it's a really pretty color in my opinion, and I definitely like it. I'd honestly though recommend mixing it in with something else, just so that you maybe have less transfer. I think it looks prettier if you mix it in with other stuff, but by itself I definitely think it's really pretty. For me it's fine, like it's just hair. If anything happens, it'll grow back. Like I've been dyeing my hair for a long time. I've been bleaching my hair for a long time. I don't care anymore. I do it for fun, I do it for me. So if it doesn't work out, oh well. Overall, definitely recommend this hair dye if you want a pretty purple. Keep in mind the cons, because as pretty as it is, you don't want to get in trouble with like your parents. If you're renting, you don't want to get in trouble for that, because that would suck. I guess whenever I dye my hair, I'm going to do reviews if I use any new ones, so keep an eye out. I'll see you guys in the next video.